There's a new type of video taking over Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. This page has gained over 1.3 million followers in just a few months.
Most 9-to-5 beginners fail because they copy trends, not systems.
When you watch these videos, they feel like they're speaking directly to your subconscious. Fast-paced, visually addictive, driven by dark psychology, but backed by real science. And the craziest part of all of this is that they're using AI for around 70% of the work.
This new dark psychology style is exploding pages from 0 to millions in weeks. And here's the crazy part. Around 70% of the work is handled by AI if you do it right. With a structure like Simple, you don't need creativity or charisma, just consistency. You're turning real psychology research into addictive mini documentaries.
Now, whether you're a faceless creator, theme page, personal brand, or a business, if you're able to master this formula, it could change everything for you. Here is the full process, step by step. Don't sleep on this. Now, for this video, we're going to be diving into the psychology niche. And the page we're looking at is the Zolteon page, which has grown over 1.3 million followers in a few months. There are also other niches or topics for your page.
Now let's move into step 2. This is where your content becomes scientifically trustworthy, not just trendy.
So it's time to make a script that works super well, and you can essentially do this with any niche and any topic for any account. But this is going to be specific for this.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
And let's break it down. So the first thing you want to do is finding real information. We don't want to make up stories and lie about psychology and stuff like that. You want to actually have verified information. So
when you pull facts from Google Scholar, your script instantly becomes credible. You're not sharing opinions, you're sharing verified insights from real studies. Then ChatGPT transforms those findings into a viral style script in seconds. This is how faceless creators build authority without ever showing their face.
If you go to scholar.google.com, you'll access Google's academic search engine. Essentially what it does is it pulls research papers and studies from verified sources like universities.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
Scientific journals and professionals. So in this case, we want to search something like dark psychology, cheating, and here are all the articles. And let's say we're going to open this 4th one, but it was.
Now let's move into step 3, where your script finally gets a human sounding voice that hooks viewers instantly.
So we're going to be using an AI tool called Hume.ai. Now, what makes this tool different to many of the other ones out there, Hume can actually understand and act the emotion behind your script, okay? And it sounds far more human, which really matters when you're trying to stand out, be unique, and when you're going to topics like, the topic that we're kind of going for in this video.
Using a tool like Hume.ai gives your script real emotion and depth. It's the difference between sounding like a narrator and sounding like a malfunctioning robot. A human feeling voice boosts retention, trust, and replay value. and you create it in seconds. No recording, no awkward takes.
It's super important for us to have a non-kind of robotic voice. If people suddenly watch a video and think, oh, that's just AI, it's not going to work well for you. So this is Hume AI's landing page. Let me show you how to get started and how to use it. So go to app, and now you can create a free account like on every other platform. You can either sign up manually with your email and password or just sign up with your Gmail.
Now let's move into step 4, where you pull everything into CapCut and start assembling your video.
And now it's time to bring this all together and start to create our video. Now, in terms of your audio or like your background music, you've got numerous options for this. You have some inbuilt ones on CapCut. You can grab some from Instagram. Just pick something that matches the tone of your script and video. It's that time. It's time to edit and put the video together.
Once your voiceover and music are in CapCut, the real challenge begins: visuals. This is where beginners waste hours scrolling for random clips that don't match the mood. But ChatGPT can read your script and generate perfect visual keywords for each sentence. Those keywords turn Pinterest into a cinematic B-roll machine.
Remember all that work we've done so far in terms of setting up our ChatGPT? Well, this is going to come in super useful for us right now. Trust me. Let's open up CapCut, create a new project, and name it. And now we're about to upload the voiceover, and we're going to choose the music enhancement filter, which is on CapCut, which makes it sound a bit better. Turn it up slightly. Now, the hardest part with a lot of these.
Now let's move into step 5, where those AI keywords help you grab the exact clips that give your video its signature style.
World of clips. I don't know who is making this, but thank you. And of course, when you can, definitely credit people. It's the best thing to do, most ethical as well. You can use a Pinterest downloader. There is tons available on Google. I'm using this one right now. And essentially what you want to do is start to kind of flow into this process, and you can upload them on CapCut. Now for the intro for this style of video,
Pinterest plus AI keywords equals clean, curated B-roll that matches your script perfectly. You're no longer guessing. You're selecting clips that reinforce your narrative. This is how faceless creators create a consistent, cinematic look across every video. And when combined with CapCut filters and effects, your content becomes instantly recognizable.
Sound effects make a big difference. So I'm going to use a scary, intense riser, which you can hear, and it just adds that kind of dramatic, capturing someone's attention right at the beginning of the video. There's more than just text hooks. There's more than just visual hooks. There are also audio hooks. So once you start to kind of incorporate layering your hooks, that's how these videos do well. And now let's create a filter. I'm not going to sit here.
Now let's move into step 6, the mindset shift that separates casual creators from actual growth.
Bubble, but that's not real life. There is no AI tools that is going to do everything for you, and you're just going to sit back and do nothing. You really need to understand that AI, when used well, is about improving your workflow. In this case today, we've used it to create our script, to enhance our video editing.
Everything you've built, the script, the voice, the visuals, only works when you repeat the process. Consistent creators always outperform talented creators because they follow a system. Your job is output, not perfection. AI speeds up the work, but you create the momentum. When you follow simple, you remove guesswork and focus on production.
And you could even use it to create thumbnails, etc. And that has saved us so much time by leveraging AI. Even in the creative process, by us utilizing it.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program. And our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
Correctly here, it gave me keywords that I would have never typed, ever. Dark surreal character. I don't think I would have typed that. Here's how the video looks.
They didn't accidentally cheat on you. Cheating isn't clumsiness, it's strategy.
And that's how you turn faceless content into a real side hustle. One structured system, one repeatable workflow, one video at a time. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.